In this video, I want to show you how to find what to sell on Alibaba.com. So we are going to use Alibaba to find a product that we can sell. And the plan is that this product is going to make us at least 10x profit, and we can actually sell this product fast. In case you do not know, Alibaba is an e-commerce website, but it's a business-to-business website. So you can use this website to actually find products that you can sell. So if you do Shopify, if you do Amazon FBA, or you have your own business where you want to sell physical products, I'm going to show you the steps that I use to find products that people readily want to buy. And just in case you do not know me, my name is Good Noel, and I do e-commerce and a host of online business. And I try to actually make videos about these businesses just in case you are interested in them. So one of these businesses is physical product selling. And the first thing you need to do is to come to Alibaba.com. So this is the website here. Search for Alibaba.com and you need to create an account. And the reason why you need to create an account is so that you can have discussion or chat or negotiation with the manufacturers of this product. So first, you want to come to Alibaba.com. So on Alibaba, there are different ways that you can use to find products. Now, the fastest way is to come to here where we have this featured selection. Now, this is, let's say you do not have a niche or you do not know where you can sell in. You can come here and you can use here to find products that others are already selling. And one basic rule with e-commerce is if you see what others are selling, or if you see what's already selling, you can sell what's already selling, because the entire job, the research and everything has been done for you by other people. So you just want to emulate or to fine-tune what other persons are doing already, and you see tremendous results. So if you come to the featured selection here, you can see the top ranking products, you can see the new arrivals, and then you can see the top deals on Alibaba.com. Now, this is important because most businesses come here, they come to Alibaba to buy stuff. So let's go to the top ranking. Let's see the top ranking product that people buy already. And if people are buying these products in numbers, it simply means that people are selling these products in numbers. This is exactly how business works. So here, as you can see, it says the top ranking, it says So Smart with trusted ranking guide. So now we can see this one called Ironcraft. It has had almost 800,000 views in the past 30 days. Please note that views are not purchases. All right, these are just ways to let you know that people are interested in this. Now this one, curly hair extensions, 1.4 million views in the last 30 days. Zipper handbags, 4.1 million views. This makes sense because we are in the festivity period, and this is the time where a lot of fashion things sell 10 times faster. So you come here, we have SATA hard drives. Now these ones have had 1,000 plus orders in the past 30 days. This one, braiding hair, we have a machine double weft hair extension. We have batteries, we have contact lenses, we have metal pins, we have digital satellite TV receivers like Starlink and the rest. We have rhinestones, we have mobile phone LCDs, we have UV gels, we have hair extension, we have soft contact lenses. So far you can see that the hair and the fashion part is almost everywhere. All right, so if you are looking for a niche, it goes without saying that the hair niche might be somewhere that you can look into. It might be something that interests you. So we have unisex perfume, we have sunglasses, we have paper box for candle, and we have components for jewelry making. We have set-top boxes, plated metal crafts, and a whole lot of them. So now, to even make this better, we can see here where we have the hot selling. You click on the hot selling ones. And again, we have here, we have lace with sequins. We have watches, we have bags, we have watches, we have mobile phone LCDs, we have hair, and a whole lot of things. We have cameras, we have fine neck chains, eyeglass frames, plenty things we can find here. Now let's look at the best reviewed. This means that people have bought this product and they reviewed it the best. Like this simply tells you that these products are good products, and good products sell. And this is what we want. We want good product that people already have used, and you can recommend it, you can sell it, you can make good profit from it. So you go through different ones here and you can see all the different ones here. But let's say you have a specific niche, you can come here, select the beauty niche. Let's assume that we are in the beauty niche, and under the beauty niche you can see different kind of hair. All right, in the beauty niche, hair dominates, and even under that we can see under the beauty we can see the hot selling hair or the hot selling stuffs under beauty. All right, so we have a lot of things: face cream and lotion, skincare sets, machine, blah blah blah, short wig, skincare serum, and a whole lot of them. The same process, you can come to the best reviewed and you can find even more products right here. So let's say we wanted to do something like consumer electronics. We can click on consumer electronics. We can see different things that are popping on consumer electronics. These are products that are most popular under this niche. Again, we can come to the hot selling and then we can find even more products that we can sell right within this niche. We can find the best reviewed right within this niche. So this is a secret way to use Alibaba to find hot products that are selling and that you can easily sell. So this basically gives us refined idea. Of course, it gives us the product too. So let's say I wanted to, let's go back to beauty. I wanted to look at one of the hot selling products and wanted to, let's say we want to look at this one. As you can see, these are still under the category. So this one is a Swiss lace wig. This is the first, number one under the Swiss lace wig, number two under the Swiss lace front wigs, and this is the number three. So let's say we are interested in number one, you can just click on this and then it gives you the chance to see the product, to understand the product, to see the sellers of this product, and from there we can communicate with the sellers of this product. But now see the top ranking under this very Swiss lace front wig. So you know, we started broad, we didn't have an idea. Now we know that hair and wig sells, and under hair and wig we now have a specific one called Swiss lace front wigs. All right, and under this we can see all these things are basically human hair and all this hair for women, and you can go through any of them and select the one you want. So let's say we wanted to transact with this. You can see this is the minimum order is 1. The hot selling score is 4.5 out of 5, and it has been number 1 for 14 days, which means this is selling out fast. So you can click on the link and then you can go to the product itself, the product page, and you can find the sellers and you can negotiate whatever you want to buy. So this is a product, this is a review, 6,000 something sold, number 1 in hot selling, blah blah blah. You can see the product pictures. All right, you can see the product picture. This is where you can start your order. These are the lengths they have. All right, these are the lengths they have, and if you come down you see place of origin, Brazil, customized, blah blah blah. We have a lot of things from here, and this, my friend, is how you can use just Alibaba to find hot products that people are already selling, and these products are going to give you profit, at least 10x your profit. I hope this video has been helpful. If yes, like this video. If no, you can tell me. If you have questions, you can ask me in the comment section. My name is Good Noel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.